A stunning display from the morpho butterfly. The nighthawk, perfectly still, must decide if this...
Rescued and now released, this magnificent bird scales the ancient kapok, reclaiming its place in the wild.
Deep within the Amazon, the black-tailed trogon begins its daily hunt. With a sudden burst of speed, it secures its meal.
As the sun sets, the jungle awakens. The potu must now hunt to survive the night.
Deep within the Amazon, the blackish-grey antshrike guards its territory, a flash of subtle color amidst the vibrant green. High in the canopy, the male katydid begins his nightly serenade, a desperate plea for a mate.
The vibrant bay-headed tanager relies on these secluded streams for its daily ritual, a display of stunning color.
Deep within the Amazon, the poison dart frog secures its meal. This critical moment ensures its survival in a harsh, beautiful world.
Safe at last, the rescued anteater takes its first refreshing bath in its new home, a testament to the resilience of the jungle.
Deep within the Amazon, the giant cockroach navigates a world unseen by most, a crucial scavenger in this dense ecosystem. In the dense undergrowth, the antbird must be quick. Survival here depends entirely on speed and precision.
When the shadow of a predator falls across the canopy, instinct takes over.
Deep within the Amazon, the black-tailed leaf tosser tirelessly works the forest floor, a vibrant flash of life in the relentless struggle for survival. Sensing danger, the tamandua scrambles for safety, relying on instinct to evade the unseen predator. Deep within the Amazon, the black-capped tinamou searches the forest floor, a vital part of this complex ecosystem. Every crossing is a gamble, a testament to the resilience of the jungle's inhabitants as the ibis searches for sustenance.
The Amazon rainforest, a symphony of life. Here, the vibrant, band-tailed...
With a determined leap of faith, the turtle strains against the weight of its shell, securing a grip on the vine above the murky waters.
The Amazonian manatee, once hunted for its meat and oil, now finds respite in the warming waters.